technically we use the partner slip to make an A, and then we put a pencil on top. We connect it. We also get a bigger popsicle stick and stick the battery down here so it can technically make the popsicle stick to the bubble. And after that it can work like this. So you put the thing here and then it works like this.
Thank you.